Back. Well, Maruti numbers also hitting the screen. Let's just run you through those. We've had revenue in line and EBITDA a touch below. We've got Aditya Makhari on the phone line with us as well. Aditya, let me first get your initial takeaways from the earnings this time.
Yeah, obviously the results were, expected to be weak because the company barely produced 80,000 units in this entire quarter. That's what they do in a month. In fact, they do more than this in a month. So clearly, this is a exceptional quarter, which was, impacted by the severe production constraints. But, I just think that if you were to look beyond this quarter, the situation on the ground is actually improving, led by the demand for entry-level cars. And that is something which is, keeping the stock price fairly buoyant. We also believe that Maruti's petrol strategy has worked fairly well. You may be aware that diesel prices now are as much or even more in certain areas of the country now. So therefore, Maruti's petrol-only focus is going to help them. Thirdly, even as the lockdown opens in the metros, we believe that this will aid demand. So if you see currently, Mumbai is already seeing that the COVID count is coming under check. So that is something which incrementally will help because we expect the larger cities to open up now in a more meaningful way. And, lastly, I just want to mention that it's times like these are the strong balance sheet of companies really helps them. So Maruti with a cash reserve of around 35,000 crores is something which will help them withstand this entire downturn. And, they will even perhaps gain market share because other competitors will obviously be impacted much more than them. So net-net, I think, we should look beyond this quarter and the on-ground situation is improving as we speak. Thanks.
Okay, so fairly upbeat in that context. Then what would be your call on Maruti right now?
We have a buy rating on this stock. We think that it's one of the best proxies to medium-term consumption in India. You do know that the car penetration in India is extremely low, and this is going to catch up over time as the country moves up on the prosperity curve. So Maruti is going to benefit because it is a 50% market share player dominant across product segments.